Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a Lazypay order. The first thing you have to do is identify the merchant or app you place the order on using Lazypay. Then go to the merchant's website or app and find their cancellation policy. This is usually in the frequently asked questions, help center or terms and conditions. Then initiate the cancellation via merchant, that is follow the merchant's specific direction for cancelling and order. This might involve going to your order history and selecting the option to cancel, contacting the merchant's customer support by phone, email, or chat. You can confirm cancellation with merchant. Ensure that you've received the notification first. Then monitor Lazypay account. Once the merchant confirms the cancellation and processes any refunds, the transaction on your Lazypay account should be reversed or the amount due adjusted. It's important for you to know that Lazypay is a payment method. Order cancellation is handled by the merchant you purchase from. Contacting Lazypay directly will not cancel your order.